Hi everyone, welcome to this demo of our automated ticket booking bot. In this video, I'll show you how the bot works step by step to book tickets automatically, log in, handle errors, and keep running 24/7. Let's get started. First, I'm going to run the bot. As you can see, it automatically opens a browser window at a specified location. Now, we'll wait just a few seconds for it to load. Once the browser is ready, the bot checks whether you're already logged into your ticket booking account. If you're not logged in, like I'm showing here by signing out manually, the bot will detect it and handle the login process automatically. It inputs your saved credentials, logs in, and moves forward. If you're already logged in, it simply skips this step. Now that we're logged in, the bot goes to the ticket listings page. It scrapes all available ticket links from the page and begins the booking process. Here you can see it trying to book a ticket by adding it to the cart. If for any reason the booking fails, the bot detects the error and automatically retries. Once a ticket is successfully added to the cart, the bot sends a confirmation email. You can also see on the interface that the ticket has been added successfully. After this, it proceeds to the next ticket link and repeats the process. As you can see here, a new batch of tickets has been found, 63 in total. The bot selects one, adds it to the cart, and sends another confirmation email. Again, the interface confirms that the ticket was successfully added. This bot can run 24/7, whether it's day or night. It automatically handles login, ticket selection, booking, and email notifications. You can leave it running overnight or all day, and it will continue working until you stop it manually. Thank you for watching this demo of our automated ticket booking bot. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.